Okay, you got one?
No.
One.
Hi, I'm Ian.
And I'm...
Anthony.
Okay, say that again.
Hi, I'm Ian.
And I'm Anthony.
Alright.
So we're going to play a game
No, it's
called...
No.
Okay, you say...
Like, oh yeah, I've won.
For sure.
For sure.
I like... What the heck?
It's like, I pose you with my left hand.
I like... And then I was like, stop using your left hand.
Like, I can't. I broke it, remember?
I was like this. Stop using your left hand. You're going to poke a hole on my wall.
I was like, alright, but I can't.
No, you said, you tried to play with a broken finger.
Yeah, you try to play with a broken finger.
What the heck?
Like, you're just sad because I pwned you with my left hand.
No.
I was like, and you know what? A wise man once said, it doesn't mean if you win by a mile or a second. Winning is winning.
What the hell is that?
Run, Diesel.
20 bucks if I could.
No, like 20 bucks. Alright.
20 bucks. Deal.
Oh, but make sure you can't use your left hand for anything.
No, right hand.
Right hand for anything. Anything. And then
20 bucks, so I will make. What? Just follow me.
I'm just make sure you don't use your right hand.
I don't care.
And then you take a shower. You say you're going like. Eating cereal. Go like this.
Okay. I'll play.
Eating cereal.
Stop playing it.
Driving the car.
Okay. Get the camera outside.
No.
Because I got my own car outside.
Oh yeah. No, don't go on. Just pretend.
Okay.
Alright, then a robber comes. Look. Wait, one problem. Who's gonna be the robber?
Oh, the robber? Good point. The brother should be here. If your brother is here, we can make a